Hello, happy afternoon, everybody. Hi, team, how are you? My name is Margie Donaldson, and I am a bronze leader as well as a Honor Society top seller with Avon. I've been doing Avon for 20 years, and this is moment. So that's why I'm back here today. Let me see if I can turn on a light. Hang on. Nope. Oh, let me try another light. Sorry about that. It just seems like it got dark really fast, but I'm in my kitchen, and which is not a normal spot, but I wanted to have a better angle, and I kind of figured that this is a better angle where I'm looking at the camera instead of where I was looking down in my office. So I still got to figure out that whole thing. Anyway, somebody is on here. I don't know who, so I'm glad that you joined me. Thank you so much. And I just want to say today is December 20th. We are in campaign 1, but campaign 1, hi Ashley, how are you? So we're in campaign 1. Campaign 1 wraps up on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern, 3 o'clock Arizona time, 2 o'clock Pacific. And it's too late to get anything for Christmas delivery, but we have to think now of what's after Christmas. What are people going to be looking for? They're going to be looking for just replenishing their regular skincare things, but there's also the New Year's resolutions, and we do have the new line coming out in campaign 3, the new wellness line. So I'm very excited about that relaunch. But anyway, let me show you all the books that we have going on right now. So we're in campaign 1, okay? And even though it says last minute gifts just in the St. Nick of time, it's too late for the holiday delivery at this point. But anyway, you can still sell out of 1 even when we get into campaign 2 come Wednesday. This is campaign 2, which has the new Physio Gel products on there. So that's very exciting for anybody who has dry, sensitive skin, needs a little bit more oomph than what moisture therapy provides, a little more TLC on your face, that kind of thing. So be sure to watch all of the videos that you can and get those one-pagers from Avon U about the product info for Physio Gel. And then since we are in campaign 1, we still have just a couple more days left of campaign 26. And don't forget that this boxed offer here, I haven't checked lately the availability on it, but that boxed offer where you get all 3 products is the same price as this one product. So if you have any belif customers, let them know that they should get a hold of that package so they can try the cleanser and the eye balm before this set goes away. Okay? But of course, what you may not know, what you may or may not know, is that not everything that Avon sells is in the books. Sometimes they come out with these products and they don't have time to put it in the books, or they just don't put it in the books, period. How many of you have tried the rice? I absolutely love the rice. In fact, now I'm kind of hungry for it, and I'll probably have it as a mid-afternoon snack when I'm getting done here. But the rice, the ramen, I've heard good things about that. I'm not a big ramen fan myself, so I have not tried that. But we also have the personal protective equipment. We have the masks. So lately they've been the buy one, get one free. I don't know if that is still a valid offer or not. We still have the antibacterial hand gels, even though those have been in the book and on the back of campaign one. They are buy one, get one free. I've had so many people ordering those. But my latest, oh my God, this is the best product ever, is what I am wearing. If you'll notice, I've got my mask around my neck. See that? What I have is this little cord here, which has a lobster claw clasp to connect to any mask that you have. I have other masks, non-Avon masks. In fact, when I started doing this census, I was given a collection of, I think, 5 or 6 just white regular ones. But anyway, see that lobster claw clasp? So you loop that just around the earpiece, and then you pop it over your neck. How many of you have gotten out of your cars when you go into a store or you're ready to go into a doctor's office or whatever? How many of you have been like, forgot it again, it's in my car? You forget your mask because it's sitting, for me, I take it off and I put it on my seat. Well, with this, you put it around your neck one time in the morning and you walk around all day long, and anytime that you take a drink, I wouldn't say necessarily eat with it because it does make kind of like this little nest right here and you might get crumbs down in that. But you can certainly drink with it. Pop off your mask, take a drink, put your mask back on. It's just so convenient. And let me show you. They just hook on and lay there. This is an Avon product. This is available. There's 5 lanyards in a package that costs $8.99. And here is my sales idea. Be sure to get a package for yourself, number 1, and buy maybe a couple extra packages, because I'm telling you, once you start wearing this and telling people, oh my gosh, I just got this and it's the most perfect thing. I haven't had any problems with walking into a store and then remembering my mask, that kind of thing. They're going to be like, well, I want a package. Well, I want a package. I want a package. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be buying some extra packages. And then if somebody says, but I don't really want a package of 5 for $9, that's a little bit more than I want to spend. Break this package up. You can sell the cords just by themselves. I'm planning on selling them for $2 a piece. So then I'm getting an extra $1 profit. Yay, we're always looking for the extra profit there. But if somebody wants to get the whole package, because you've bought them ahead of time, you'll be able to give it to them right then and there. So I started doing this the other day when I was making my deliveries, and I think it was a day I only had a couple of deliveries, or maybe it was just that I saw a couple of people. Usually I do a lot of deliveries where it's just porch pickup. Like I leave this stuff on the porch and then I leave. And whether they're working or they're home and they just don't want to come to the door or whatever it is, I have a lot of really, truly contactless deliveries. But the one person that I did talk to about Friday, I think it was, I said, oh, I've got to show you the latest thing. And she's like, I need a package of those. So definitely get those. And then there's also a mask case. Now, I didn't get any extras of these for myself, but it's a plastic case. I'm going to say it's about that big. And it would fit a mask. It's probably longer than this mask. And then if you fold over the mask, it would fit into this mask case. So if you don't want to have your masks just, laying around in your purse, in your car, whatever. There's these mask cases, and they come in black and hot pink. And they are $4.99 a piece, I believe. And I was gonna check and see if these are fixed earnings or if they are, like if you get your 25 to 40% on these, or if we just get the 20 to 25, depending on your President's Club or not. So, you know what? I have a phone and I'm going to find this out. So pardon my very messy office that I'm still trying to move into, but I'm gonna find my latest invoice that had them on there. Oh, you know what? I can't because I bought them from the online store, and the online store doesn't show commission levels. Shoot, I really want to know if those are, what commission level those are. So sorry about that. We will have to check into that more. But anyway, what a cool idea. What I did was I put together, I had relatives that I had to ship out presents to, and I got everybody a mask case, and I split the packages of the lanyards up, and everybody gets a lanyard. So, in this day and age, in this COVID era that we're going through, I just thought that was a very sweet, caring gift. And people are really going to appreciate these lanyards. So anyway, and then of course, check out what masks we still have available, and tell your customers that not everything is in the books, that there are other offers on the online store. So that gets them in there, gets them looking around, and a lot of times whatever they are planning on purchasing, there'll be a section down at the bottom that says, if you like these, you might also like these products. And that just adds to your sales level there as well. Something I just thought, and when they are in your online store, remind them that we have the monthly sweepstakes. They're usually fantastic packages that they put together. And they can just register for the sweepstakes, and you never know. You never know who's going to win that bundle of products. So that's pretty much all that I came on to talk about today. The collection of products that I was supposed to get is still missing. So as soon as I get that, and I'm hoping that in the next week and a half before I come back on here again, I'm hoping that that package will show up, and then I can show you what was in there. And it's probably just about time for the next one to come out, and so who knows, I might have a double. Today being December 20th, we have 11 more days until the free sign-up expires. So if you know of anybody that's been sitting on the fence about getting signed up for Avon, this is the time to act, all right? So I think that was about it that I wanted to say. I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I know that Hanukkah is over now, but a very Merry Christmas. And then I will see you on the 30th. I will be back here whether that product package shows up or not. And then we'll talk about what we have in store for, let's see, we'll have campaign 3 books in by then, and we get to see what's in campaign 4 in the What's New as soon as campaign 2 opens this coming Wednesday. So, final wrap up, campaign 1 is still active. You can place your order anytime between now and Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern, okay? Everybody have a wonderful holiday with your families, and I will see you soon. Bye.